Right guys, we're back out again this week. We've never been to this location. It's not even a canal. As you can see, it's a river. But you got the main road that comes right over the top of this bridge and round to the side. So we're just wondering, we know it's going to be rocky, so we've got to be careful. So we're just wondering what could possibly be on that side of it. So we're just going to set up now and we'll see if we can find anything. Right, let's take the first one and see what happens. First piece of metal I found. Not much. But it's not always about finding stuff, is it? It's about keeping the waterways clear.
I found nothing.
Tyler's got his magnet stuck down here, so I just had to throw the rope up there. As you can see, there's Tyler. Now I'm going to make my way around to see him if he needs help. Tyler, do you want me to come up? Alright.
Got it.
As you can see, he got his magnet. So it looks very clean here. So I might actually just look for another location that's close by. But well done to Tyler all the way up there. We got Dinky, who's found the only find, which is a little car seat that's back there. So back in a bit. Cheers for watching so far.
Here we have something. Very idea what it might be.
He's got a clue, but he doesn't want to let go. Come on,
There we go.
Play nice. So that was that way, and that was that. That looks like a rock.
There you go, you're getting all angles of this.
We were just tying this up there.
I know. Hi. It's VR. Go on then, 18.
Try one more time. Lamp. Small bar. Okay. Careful today. On the line. Let's get on the middle.
size 9. It's quite big. Yeah, look at that, he's found absolutely nothing.
It's rocks. Oh well, that's it. Go elsewhere.
Bye!
Yeah guys, so we're back out again today. Yeah, we're in Burnley and we've done this location quite a few times, but we've not been back here now for, I don't know, quite a few months. We have Dipper Tyler and Dinky Dipper. They've just set up. Dipper Daniel is here. He might not be fishing today. And we also have Mrs. Dipper. So, just gonna see if anything else recent has been thrown in here. If not, we might find a different location. So, let's get started. Today, I'll be using the magnet from Online Magnets, 1800. Let's see what we find. And that's a little metal ring, some other little bit of metal, and this thing, not too sure what it is.
Perfect.
Not sure what that is.
It's okay.
I'm not stuck. Rip the skin off the back of my leg.
Over the bridge?
Not yet. Wait, I've just found something. It seems quite long. But where the wall is, it steps in a little bit. And it's pulling it into it. So now, I've got to go up there. Yippee for me. That's okay. No, there's looks like condensation in my lens. Tyler, if you get yours 16, see where I'm pulling, it's hitting the wall. Don't try and go down for it. So if you throw your magnet in, say about 10 foot away, you might be able to find the other end of the barn. If you pull that back end to you, it's just touching in that wall. I might try going over there and see if I can slide it backwards. Hang on, I don't mind, come on, I don't mind. Right, my magnet's free. Now I'll see what the hell it was. Yeah, just keep hold. Just some little bar and some bolt. On that far, looks like an old typewriter. Looks alright, that. That time just some hook. That time, saw blade and a security tag, a red one. Right, me and Ty just got stuck to each other. This one, you got a Seagate hard drive. And then just a small bit of metal. Not sure what that is. Some other bars. And then some thick bars here. That's well, just loads of little bits, a penny. Not too sure what that is, unless it's off a lathe. That time, a cup padlock. I can't see it. That time, Tyler just got stuck to something, but it wouldn't come upon a magnet. And we have this big piece of metal. Now to me, Tyler's even cut himself. But this big piece of metal, I would have said would have been guttering off one of these old factories, but it's very, very thin. So great find. Let me get my gloves on. Bent bar. Little fishing lure.
Yeah, over there. Your camera's low. I got some kind of cap.
Some metal bracket. case. Well, that's all. There's a bag. In the bag, there's just a metal bar. That's a solid block of metal. Quite heavy that. Yeah, that's there.
He's injured. I know.
Just found this. I think it could be some sort of tensioning hook. Something for the old building. Just another bit of metal. Some hexagon bar. That's about it so far. That's just a bike reflector.
Okay. I think it's brake disc. I'd assume a brake disc. I'm tired.
Yeah.
Brake disc.
That's not too sure what that is. Oh, these buildings have something to do with engineering and stuff, so it could be something to do with that. Right, it's been raining for a while, so I'm just going to have a few more tours and see if anything else comes out.
What's stuff for waste? Basket for waste.
That time, little shopping basket. Stay next to me. That's some right angle bar. Right guys, that's us for today. We'll only come out for an hour or so in Burnley. We've cleared all our scrap, cleared up other people's scrap and plastic waste that has been reported to me that's been left all over Burnley at the moment. But as you can see, where we've been, it's crystal clear. So we'll see you all next week, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.